Welcome to the LX1200 Diffuser, where luxury meets atmosphere. In the next few moments, we'll guide you through a seamless unboxing and setup experience. Inside your box, you will find everything thoughtfully prepared for you: a detailed user manual, an HVAC connection hose, a magnetic key card to access the fragrance chamber, wall mounting screws, a precision tool, an AC adapter and power cable, and your LX1200 diffuser, pre-programmed for effortless use. Now, let's prepare your space. Carefully position your diffuser in the area you wish to transform. Connect the power cable and plug the unit into a nearby outlet. To access the fragrance chamber, gently place the magnetic key card into the discrete slot located at the center of the diffuser. Once unlocked, softly lift the atomizer top to reveal the fragrance canister. Unscrew the atomizer from the canister and pour in your chosen fragrance. Ensure the protective seal is removed before filling. Securely reattach the atomizer to the canister. Then, place it back into the chamber, making sure it is perfectly aligned. Close the compartment carefully, ensuring the internal line is fully and firmly connected. For a fully integrated scenting experience through your HVAC system, unscrew the top portion of the atomizer and attach the HVAC adapter included in your accessories kit. Connect the hose to the adapter, then create a small opening in your air duct using a screwdriver. Insert the opposite end of the hose into the duct and secure it in place. Your LX1200 is now ready to envelop your environment in refined fragrance. Relax, indulge, and enjoy a scent experience worthy of a 5-star atmosphere.